Hey guys, what's up? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. I'm here at Embroidery Image with...
I'm Ramon.
With...
Embroidery Image.
And...
Lola.
And Lola is...
Embroidery Image.
So, if you guys are wondering what we guys are doing together, just stay and like right after the intro, you'll see what we're going to be doing, okay? So, we'll be back in a little bit as soon as the intro it's over. So okay guys, so what we're going to be doing today, we're actually going to be making a hat for Joe. This is what we're going to be making today, and I'm going to let Ramon explain what we're going to be making today, because I keep making mistakes. So Ramon knows what we're going to be doing today. He's going to explain it to you. So Ramon, what are we going to be doing today?
Alright, we're going to do a hat for Joe over at Heart and Hustle. So you guys be messing up. I've already put it on the machine, getting it ready. What we're going to do is run the first part, but we're going to do his main logo in puff. So just bring it over here. Like I said, we already have it set up. Machine's ready. We're going to do it in this dark silver here. So let's get it started. We're going to start off with, actually, we're going to use two different kind of threads, weights. It's both the same color, but this is 60 weight for smaller lettering, and that's the 40 weight for the main body, so anything really big. So let's check it out. Alright, now let's see what this looks like. Alright brother, we're all finished up with this. We got Heart and Hustle printing. We got your puff right here. All looking good, man.
So there you go, you'll get it in the mail, man, about 2-3 months.
Sounds about right.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna send it, because if I send it, yeah, it will take about 3 months or until I come over and bring it up. So there you go guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, obviously this is a Ramon shop. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to drop a line below in the description. Let me know if you want me to come to your shop, pay for the airfare, and I will be right there. No, I'm just kidding. If you do have a shop, you know, and if you want me to come over, I can, you know, but it won't be like right away. So that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and can you say good?
Good night.
It's actually not yet, but
I say goodbye.
You know how we keep it here, you know, kind of crazy, and it's so fun. So again, I want to say thanks to Embroidery Image, because they let us film in their shop. It's a really nice setup. I really like it. So again, this was
Ramon, Embroidery Image.
And Lola, Embroidery Image.
Juan Cortez. Wait, I never said my last name. Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and if you like it, don't forget to put a thumbs up. If you don't like it, go ahead and also put a thumbs up, okay? If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure. We're in Vista, California right now, so I gotta go back to San Diego, and we'll probably make another video over there. So thank you guys, and I will see you later.
But to tell you the truth, you'd have to ask Boss Lady. I just make the things look good.
Are you listening?
Yeah, I just make the things look good.
Damn.
Yeah, I just make the things look good.